past 4. I had a power bar because I'm going to go for a run this morning. And today marks 30 days when I did my run. I have been running for 30 days straight. So I wanted to vlog the special occasion, kind of. Yeah, I'm just going to get ready to do some stuff. I got to get ready super early because I have to drive to Brisbane today because I am working up there. Let me get Nemo's stuff sorted as well. Fairy's still sleeping. Sorted. That's one thing ticked off. Let's go for my run. That's it. That's 30 days. I'm so proud of myself. And let's mark it on the calendar. Big X. Woohoo! That's 30 days. Look at that. That's amazing. I did that. I'm so proud of myself. I was like listening to a running affirmation today this morning. It was a little bit tough, but I did feel like it did keep my mind running off of the I'm tired, my leg hurts, don't overdo it. Like sometimes I think because I'm running twice a day, I am a little bit afraid of overdoing it. So that's in my mind. So sometimes when I'm running, especially in the morning when I have less energy, it loops and then I get a little bit frightful. But today it just kept my mind off it, which was good. I listened to a different affirmations while I was working out, and that was really, really nice. So now let's go see if Fairy's awake. He should be. Yep, he's awake, taking a shower. I'm gonna go take a shower as well and then get ready to go to work. Oh, I did it! Yay! Today I'm gonna celebrate, and I'm so excited with my celebration. I'll show you guys later. Before I forget, I came home and this little guy graced me with the presence of ripping apart my yoga mat again. Do you see it? Like these little things come from the yoga mat and from his nails. All because of what? He didn't get any attention? Because he didn't get any attention? Okay, since Fairy's in the bathroom, I don't really like using the other shower. Maybe we should actually prep it to take showers there. But while he's doing that, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Or make my breakfast, you should see. That way I can relax when I get out. Just take a shower and then I'm pretty much ready to go. Yeah, I have like a 1.5 hour drive this morning to Brisbane, which is where I'm working for the day. And then I've been trying to look for books to listen to now on my runs. I feel like it will help get my mind onto good things when I'm running. And I've gotten pretty much into a good rhythm where if my mind is going like thinking about other things, I can just run, which is amazing. Now I don't need those motivational videos that keep me pumping. Now my body just knows what to do, which I'm pretty glad about. Gonna leave about 7. I don't start work till 9, but just in case I hit rush hour or anything going up to Brisbane, then at least I have more time. Nemo started being annoying and walking all over the hob, so I now have to lock it so he doesn't accidentally turn it on and burn off his toe beans. Okay, it's about time for me to leave and go hit the road to Brisbane. It's actually been so nice to wake up at 4, just have like a lazy hour, eat something, get myself powered up for my run. I think I'm going to be doing this more often. I find that it sets me up in a good mood, and you don't realize how important like having a good structured morning routine is, filled with like inspiration and like good motivation. It's actually just so good. Also, the sun came out today, so that just is an instant energy booster. Bye, loves. Bye. I'll see you later, okay? See you later. Jumper, bag. Okay. I like to set everything up for my drive, so I've got my water bottle somewhere easy. I've got my sunnies somewhere easy. Don't need my hair tie, and I've got snacks. Most important thing. Oh, and my hand cream. So everything else can just go on the floor pretty much. I like to also just unbutton my snacks just in case I get peckish. And there we go. Let's go. Okay, I'm pretty much ready. Car keys in.
Power on.
Yes, you are.
Bluetooth connected.
Made sure to pee before I left. Okay, this can go inside here. This is rubbish. Sunnies are open just in case I need them. I'm very, as much as I can, quite methodical. I like to make sure that everything is in its right place and I'm ready, and then I just feel like everything works. Still got eczema, if you can see, on my hands, and especially with how humid and hot it's been, I've been driving with the air conditioner on, so my hands get really dry. Let's make sure they're good. Okay, let's go. I finished work. Sorry for the angle. I'm already driving and I kind of completely forgot to vlog. But I'm headed home now. It was a nice shift. I managed to get a few practice shots in, getting more used to using the underwater housing, which is perfect. Oh, I actually opened my eyes under the water for the first time ever in my life. I don't know why, I just assumed that when people open their eyes on the water they could see. I don't know why, I just assumed it. And so when I opened my eyes and realized that all you see is like shapes essentially, and just a blur, it was actually really interesting. And she said something like, oh yeah, babies can't see what it is. Did you see this giant black thing in front of them, and of course that scares them? And I was like, yeah, sure. But I didn't fully understand, but I didn't question it either. So it's nice to actually have some context with that. But I'm proud of myself because this year I'm going to be doing a lot more things that scare me, and I'm just proud that even though I was a little bit nervous, I just did it. I also didn't want to look like a scared little kid in front of her, because yeah, that's not good. So that definitely helped the situation. It was really nice to just do it, and now I'm not scared of it, which I shouldn't have been in the first place, but there you go. Yeah, so I'm driving home now. I actually finished half an hour early, so I got to take a shower, and now I'm just going to head home, have some lunch, and I have a meeting at 2, so hopefully I'll get an hour's in where I can just upload the video that I edited yesterday to YouTube, get all that sorted, and start editing another video. I'm hoping at about maybe 2:33 I can head on over to the library and spend a couple of hours there and get some stuff done. I don't know, the library's just been really really nice for me. It like separates me from what work I do at home and what work I can do in the library, and it just, I don't know, I find it really nice and comforting, and I can finish my book and get a few editing things done. So yeah, that should be a nice way to roll out my day. I'm back home now. I'm gonna make some lunch. It's like 1:10, so I have some time before my meeting. I was thinking of trying Verity's oatmeal. It's got the cream and honey flavor. Okay, let's try it. This is half a cup. And I guess we just stir it. Nemo! Don't make me come over there. Don't know what it is about the chlorine clothes. Like, he just gets so obsessed with it. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, these clothes are not for you. I gotta hang them up. Should hang them out outside because it's like really hot out there. Yep. I need these dry for tomorrow because I've got another shift tomorrow. Yeah, that's okay. I think I'm just going to keep heating it up until it's absorbed, and then have some bananas over it, and I'm done. It doesn't really look appetizing. I don't really like cinnamon, but like Verity always puts cinnamon on his, so let's try it. I think it might still be a bit hot. It's actually pretty good. I think the vanilla oat milk actually like really helps it, and I just put some bananas on top. Okay, well my meeting didn't really last that long at all. He had to go, so I'm just going to send him the information by email. I uploaded my previous vlog, which is good, and I've outlined the vlogs for this upcoming month, so I'm really happy with that. Now I can go to the library, which is what I wanted to do, and I can do my celebration for my 30 days.
Good afternoon, customers. If anybody is looking for us keys, can you come to the front desk?
I'm now at the grocery store, and I'm going to show you what my reward is for completing 30 days. Let's see if I can find it. This is my reward. I've been craving like these yummier protein bars. So I've been doing 30 days of no sugar as well. And now I actually get to eat one of these. I actually got recommended these Bliss bars, like sea salt caramel or like chocolate honey. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try them all. I think I'm gonna opt for this white chocolate macadamia nut Cliff bar, and this chocolate salted caramel Go Natural one. These ones are good. The macadamia ones are really good. This one I haven't tried yet, so let's hope that that's good. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try them every morning. We just had to do some chores because it's bin day, so we had to put the bins out. We've done the laundry, and I've just prepared my stuff for tomorrow because it's going to be a longer day tomorrow. Yeah, I've decided that I'm going to be trying the chocolate salted caramel one for tomorrow morning for my run, so I'm actually really excited for that. And then I'm going to actually bring the white chocolate macadamia nut one to work with me because it's going to be a longer day, so I just kind of want to make sure that I have like a protein bar or like an energy bar with me. I'm going to see if I can just grab some lunch, probably go to the library up near the place, and then chill there for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back for the afternoon shift. Yeah, not much else. We're gonna go run in a little bit once the sun goes down. Gonna just do a nice short one, probably chill, eat some dinner, watch another episode, and then call it a day.